Bella on Harare shop.
Out of one minute.
It's a good deal.
Huh?
Yarubu.
3-1 here, because it is a huge occasion. The Champions League final. Who's going to be crowned Club Kings of Europe? And here it is, the last lap.
Maui lagi. Huh? Okay, Maui.
Okay.
Muthalite. Legacy kaya na. Ultibility.
It's like a bangkay.
Bangkay yan.
And the season-long race for the trophy. Millions of viewers from around the world are tuning in for the biggest final in club football, the Champions League final. A warm welcome from me, Derek Ray, joined here in the commentary box, as always, by the former Arsenal and West Ham player, Stuart Robson. It is Liverpool up against Tottenham Hotspur.
Well, Derek, we've got some of the world's top players out there tonight, so this has to be a great game, doesn't it? I just hope to see both sides play to their full potential. I can't wait for this.
Let's take a look at the Liverpool starting 11. Alisson gets the nod in goal. Trent Alexander-Arnold starts with Andrew Robertson in the wide defensive areas. That was a very fine read. And he could be in proper trouble here. Oh, it didn't happen for him.
Well, he has to finish this. So much of the goal to aim for, and he hasn't even hit the target. That's a poor attempt.
And offside it is.
Who's this guy?
Come on, ladies, I know you guys.
Explosive attacking qualities can be so important, but no further than Mo Salah.
Well, Derek, he's a great all-round player. It's an ability to run in behind the
Oh, wait a minute. They could be in here. And they score! First goal in this season's UEFA.
Purli munaker ne kan set
No insitam.
Urgata gribu.
Nice cookie back with you.
Back underway. In with a chance. Still danger here. And threat over for now.
Well, that was a great opportunity to get themselves level, but Liverpool still trail here, mainly due to that brilliant save.
Well, attacks are plenty, but now defensive resilience is what's called for. But it wasn't a taxing save. Pressure high up the pitch. Save after save after save. Emerson. On the ball, Richarlison. Well, the defenders know they need to get tighter. Can't really allow runs like that. Can he finish? Oh, a smart stop.
Calm down.
Luis Diaz. And a timely intervention. Anderson. Really good build-up, but no end product. Alexis McAllister.
And I pass.
Oh, he looks threatening. Good
come on
defending
now.
at the end,
Ish.
and danger averted for now.
Bola itu
Elliot.
besar.
Bersuai. Bukan dia aku
Timing
ini.
was perfect. Ball one.
Itu beri saya.
Good ball over the top. Has eyes for goal. So the ball is rolling again at Gakpo. Now with Diaz. Trying to find the right angle of attack. And the keeper able to hold on to it. Flat outside.
Kawan lola dia.
To Emerson. Cutting it out.
One.
Bissouma.
Hey, la serva.
Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. And Liverpool free kick coming up.
Lemon.
Wow.
Pelita.
Relax, tell someone man.
Trent Alexander-Arnold. And Liverpool could get in behind the defence. Now winning back possession.
Kanan itu. Aish.
And passing it through. Offside it is, but he needed sharp eyes to make that decision.
Well, it's fine margins, isn't it? But in the end, he just went too early.
He's through here. And how about that for a save? And the danger clear. Really fine piece of defending play to break it up. Salah. And in with a real chance. Keeper could be in trouble. Oh, a celebratory moment as they jump in front.
Come on, we don't matter.
So back underway. Intriguing contest this, given the 2-1 scoreline. This could be the equaliser. Frantic action from one end to the other. They weren't ahead for long, and this match is level again.
Mana
He
song.
read it superbly. Gakpo. Racing away here. Plays it back. They all know their roles as they apply the pressure. Great defending. And the referee's whistle. We've reached the halfway point here at...
Guarda che poi ora non siamo giù.
And so the second half gets underway. These are the two teams saying to each other, whatever you can do, I can do just as well. Richarlison. He's in with a chance. And it's great when you can rely on your keeper. Takes the shot. Vital intervention. There to intercept. Salah. Richarlison. Son. For the lead here. Save, but still a chance. Well, it's that high pressing approach again. Magnificent challenge to win it back.
Well, you can't argue with those stats, can you? They've had good chances at both ends. The game has been played with great intensity, and it's been a pleasure to watch.
Just failing to hit the target. Good effort, though. Bissouma. Szoboszlai. An important interception. Salah. And space on the wing for Liverpool. Delivery from Salah here. And that is not going to help the cause. The header well off the mark. And he did well to cut it out. And a Tottenham Hotspur free kick coming up. Could be threatening. Oh, but brilliantly read to cut it out. It looks so promising. Difficult to stop him. Shaping to shoot. It's come off the keeper. And in the end, no damage done.
Why am I no one?
Liverpool really should be in front now. That could prove to be a big moment in the game.
And on the front foot again, no let-up from them at all. Can he finish? He's got numbers for himself. No stopping him apparently. Getting forward, but quick thinking defensively. Andrew Robertson. He has time to play it over. He's let that run out of play. And it will be a throw in here. Kulusevski. Possession one. Can they convert? Well, going for power and so close to finding the net. 20 minutes to go. Promising move from Tottenham. A really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. And space for Liverpool in the wide position. And take it away. Andrew Robertson. Diaz. That's well blocked. And the Liverpool throw-in forthcoming. Given away by Tottenham. And gegenpressing has been the watchword. Very much part of the plan. And he takes it on. And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. Who's going to get on the end of it? They couldn't quite keep it down.
Well, you can tell what the fans think of that decision. They're certain it should have been a penalty.
An astute piece of defending. 10 minutes to go.
Muna.
What he was intending, bad pass. Well, almost almost at full time. Liverpool desperate to make this a victory. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, what a finale we have here. Both sides have looked good going forward, but poor defensively. But I do think they have been the better side for much of this game. They just need to defend their box with determination in these last few minutes.
Well, this is looking promising. And that is the sort of tackle he had scripted in his mind. And time for the change now. And over comes the corner. Not the best clearance. McAllister got in the way of it. Richarlison. And Spurs have to be bold in these trying circumstances. That's how to keep the opposition at bay.
Oh, mwana ako pasi hlala kana.
The electronic board delivers the news. 2 minutes of stoppage time. This could square the game.
Oh!
They survived the attack. That's a good-looking ball. This could be it. There's still danger here. There is opportunism for you. But a discipline. How about this? England's most successful European club have done it again. Liverpool, the winner.
Guys, FC24. I like it. Okay, smiling about myself. Hey guys, we are live. Go Facebook. Sure, California, California. So we're under FC24, we're live on Facebook, on YouTube. Oh, Oscar, we're live. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah, I got a warm up. That's good. Guys, we are live on YouTube. We live.
Tonight. It's not selected. The one I got from him. I think he has.
Left or right, eh? Hola. So guys, are live da mo YouTube better mo visuals. Nala maji tada go pi.
Wata Liverpool.
Are betsa wa ma pertsana mo tournament ya la gona.
Para excuse me. It's muito logo espécie.
Que ter time esse. Just joined my kings. Hope I'm not left behind. No, you're not left behind. Go on another small land, chief. Go on another small land.
O kola liga high promotion sir.
Huh? My name. Babu Amorim. Hey, howdy. Hey, Kiwila, le boka. Let's go. Zod is in the building. Zod is in the building. Yo. Kid, come into the Chohager, no man. Hey, Javono di Wana Lena down. So, my late tag, not total Ruban in the hell of one. She makes a Mickey 2 times.
We put on a tan.
Can I see me again, no one?
Jackson,
Logo pe kada. O serious, ata o serious chief. Kezo dara.
Lema zod. War tagawan taganya tawa. Mukha.
Ano se sai.
Você vai esquinhar, você não quer?
Chamar live man, man.
Agora live não mana mara boleh lawat orang kelas umur.
Hey,
one day lenta guys.
Even though I'm not a celeb man. Nya, sorry, kini celebo he lawan. What tatari cosplay ya. Lao celebo tataro ko lakhala ya la monte lawan. So kana sempre tatari crossplay ada. Ay ba fara ya no we di khanti di thata. Tago ke marata la kaha I'm driving. I would like to be. I'm driving. I would be paying attention. Okweta yanto
Cap.
O level la yanto
Cap.
Okweta chief.
Cap.
Excitement enveloping everyone here.
Kira yang oro Okweta yang Ante namna oposta story mo.
It's not gonna be clickable.
Uirang ore net likabul.
MAP. Ike tepile mozara.
Instagram. Ingabo mo vali. Bon, neginga.
Yang wes legacy defending naman.
Intirele
Kuna rin.
Okay.
Okobile ni.
Wa imon na
Okobile ni.
Ata 8 FIFA chief. Bofelo ar 8 FIFA.
Kasa ni de nama.
Arlebele meche rta decida unzo gotswe leti utwa hey mana kage ira jota kawit
Ko sa diri diskute bolo mo namu.
kage di ya tage banka ni bilanga tsiri malo ngana da un po la postile o automatic gara to automatic
Why?
technique why raga
On this final tonight by Stuart Robson. It is Bayern Munich and they
Utwa.
take on Real Madrid.
Refu
You just wonder what those players are thinking right now. Some will be
We
nervous,
really-
some will be excited, and some
Oga,
may be
kamu tuh
anxious.
meron sama ako.
Once that whistle blows, we're going to be in for an
I
absolute
think
classic
we
here.
are saying vele
Really important tackle.
because like dia go bala di commenti kan kita balo go right
I must say that was a very promising attack.
King got on the two bad team.
Sounding.
so something's not right hello how hey hi howdy Yo. Black again na chief. Black again na William again udirseng. Bayin minute.
Kawan kan tan ligram malau ne ban.
William again na isang bayin minute. Nakirisa. Black again na. Black again na. Ultra. Muna. Black again na white again ma wheel. Ultra. Black again na da. Kana event ay tala tala na deliver le one. One. Dua le magkuha. Actually.
Dai pala ko.
Yo. Dito na kwa nama. Kana tumuna. Halala.
Well, the ball is moving again. Can Bayern come up with the right reply?
Kampili ka boleh tikai na disale.
Muna.
Options in the middle. Textbook defending inside the box.
Eish. Yo. Try a goalie. Eish.
Was he made from moments like this? On an occasion like this?
Yeah.
Again, really tough.
Tanda dengar lo.
Tony Kroos.
Menele temuna. Menele.
And on to Bellingham.
Bellingham. Metso minzi. Hato minzi mathata. I think. Let's go. Play away. Nyari level celebration ni kita ni.
He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
Bana share live bana level le batho ba bang re one da konne monate se tshaba se tlo level.
Bayern moving the ball with purpose.
Yo.
Sané.
Yo.
Here's Kane. Oh, he's through here.
Orang kaya.
Muliran na ban.
Well, that looked like being the equaliser for Bayern, but they've been thwarted by a brilliant save. Mind you,
Kawan aku dikirim ban. Menele.
Nice weight on the pass.
Okay, no problem say. Siaran sabana batho ba level le.
Why gorang ni?
To push that on.
Banna.
Corner to Real as they
So when Buffalo, Buffalo is a friend of yo. Ulu. Munna.
He's blocked it.
Yo.
Great vision from Harry Kane.
It's mana ha.
Kemana ntabolo mona. Ntabolo.
Neymar. Can he finish?
Malaita kala ijisa kawan.
Well, there's a living, breathing example.
Lira ne bana.
There was.
Una opustilo ko mo. Yo.
And that wasn't a million miles away. Almost the equaliser.
well, it's not a bad effort, is it? But they've got to find a way back into this one.
Yo.
Good run, very much in control of the situation. Oh, in with a chance.
Kera.
On his own.
Huiro ayalo malaita ka. Huiro ayalo. Ow.
Just needed to show a bit more composure there. Take a little bit off the shot, I think.
Kana o libile invite ditsala tsa. Tlema kwa phakisa bolo ya lana Setswana. Re. La tshera.
Well, Bayern controlled the game in the last 15 minutes. And
Invite ba bangwe tlhabana share link re lebelleng ba bana le yo. Tau trip. Na jisi se tlhabana.
And now, let's
Still carry.
This God that I pray. Hola, come on.
Oh, man, red card first half. Red card first half. Ariel.
Themselves in a position of menace. And played in.
Aish.
Well, that's good defending. Well organised up the
Aish.
Perhaps they can
Come on, pass a ball away now. Let's go, Shinama.
Madrid have been awarded the free kick.
Too much space, man.
An astute piece of defending. Kane. Oh, managing to beat him.
Oh, banna.
Harry Kane. Still alive.
Literally, na ban. Oh, banna. Red card. Ban impuli le tabanna.
On to Kane. Now just 1 minute of time.
Ariel Tabana.
Stoppages here.
Ref, I take her.
Really good challenge.
I tell you.
Well, there we have it.
Oh, mash.
Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in the second.
Hola.
It's her.
Tabana. Yeah. Share link ida tabana bala khonang. Batho ba bangwe ba baela da gonne monate. Gonne monate. Hola.
Defensive solidity for you. Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter.
Munele good.
Kane.
Mkhabana awu bana malaita ka.
Majestic piece of goalkeeping.
Power man behind the ball, man.
Ska bala na le red card malaita.
Over it comes.
Ata dere re ga go. Gora. Munele. Oh. Tenang. Bulo. Kamna ko gore mona ra jiwa mon. Au.
He's certainly looking a threat. He looks so sharp today.
Bulo.
With the corner.
Ante lira ne ban.
Line for another corner. Can they cash in?
We need to cash in. Sama is too close to the keeper.
Vinicius Junior. He's
Aish, luna banna.
now the counter.
Kana hita wili. Yeah. Hey, wa smile again.
Sané. Here's Kane, and he's broken free.
Malita kana le red card on. So agora mo shola at this point.
They just can't keep it
Go
quiet.
phatla ya la ga re ala no wi khata kan.
Succeeded in keeping it in play.
Kamna go tsenye sentle mo gore o motho bana motho.
Gently.
O ta re carding mo gone.
Advantage Bayern.
E yana ya no ba en kera le red card yo.
Goretzka, a glorious chance.
Come on, Ragamon. Munna. Is that your neighbor? Why?
Kana lo la ba le bokwa bana malaita ka bana le go temban.
Possession again.
Munele. Oh! Wheel.
Has to be surely.
Oh!
The equaliser. Down to 10 men.
Wiro malaita. Ha e toko batla go bankanya defense.
Coman.
O passe sentle. Aish.
Bayern pushing forward with options available.
Aish.
Karaku kabolo.
O neela mang. Tsama ya tsena.
Promising. And Bellingham. Can they
Be o ira ne mo sarage.
under Kane.
Tlhabana bana ke dira ga lamban. Nama JJ. Refu. Motho a ja penalty.
Dangerous free kick.
Money JJ. Cool and collected. Kana bana ora go no pe ko pile tlabana.
20 minutes to go. Sané.
Yo.
Keeping the opposition at bay for that splendid chance.
Hey, defense le kama man ka yele.
Well, the fans are certainly having their say.
Kira sa
They
tayo.
thought that was a penalty.
Kamna go tsa o mona ba tlo go rapela ne ma ke ro tsene mo space.
Coman, he failed to hold it.
Benin ya metle mona go ile sengwe mona. Hey, William. Hey, di comment za lantla le go comment go le go yinyane ya re khona go bale ale kwala makhanena wa a comment. You can't read it in the time ka da one. Just try to make it short. But you kana ba re balla di comment abayo ha ke tsore ba ile kae.
Quite the catalogue of great saves, and that's the latest one.
E tlemana ba ijisa le itaka monna CGC.
Contributing shrewdly.
Tsoga wena goli.
The threat was there, but
Kamane tsa go phakisa ball ao ba nna malaita ka tlamane tsa go ijisa ba.
Banna.
enough defensively.
O neela mang.
Passing.
Awa!
Offside.
Au banna. Tsa kantene ma ke o sa tsei bolo.
Momentum from Bayern. Is
Au,
there
refu.
gonna be late drama in the form of a goal? Well, they might be able to launch a counter.
E la terra. Same time. Au!
He's been wild.
Kanto wala ndi comment o kaina ba kana batho ba comment. Tada! Eish.
Could be their last opportunity.
Ee,
Real Madrid have given us
lucky
a
the
warning.
ball.
Harry Kane.
Eish. What? Huh? Huh?
Champions League decider.
Nakit. Mtakongwara yala wena
What a big moment in the dying embers.
Wena mo ndo sa ke sa coach someone. Worry. 153.
Bellingham. Could be threatening.
nice one Mawila. Whoa! Ow, come on na, ow, monna junior, come on na. Ow, monna.
Need something
Ona nice one step, ntako win ya ga organ ra kadi. Ona nice one step. Na izo le mo ka.
And Bayern couldn't hang on.
Tlama le tsa go ha batho bolo mona wena Birmingham.
Alele.
Ban
Good stop to keep them in this.
Ta gira ta ba.
not long left now, though.
The corner played into the box.
ow monna go.
Awaya kuma mare.
Kira live ka bana ta ba ba sa khono go bona notification ba khono go lebella le bone.
No way through.
Ow. Eish.
Restart.
Era restart.
Nyana ba
Ya
ta.
na ke no di come restart a ke nne mo ka pele tsa lona.
Ke batho ba ga Jesus Christ.
Ai ba wile o dirisa di opportunity le yona la bona he.
Potaka.
O dirisa di opportunity. Are itlare.
Ara.
Tla ba re mtaka zone go ga. Dari ra ka speed ka rona na ba sembo dile di dijo.
Jimaro ta ba yene na.
O tsenya no man.
Ba yene.
Le tsa ba yone lotlhe.
Morena.
Are itlare.
Na sanga ta ba yene since when we been. Nigga ka wana. O bona jwa go spend ba.
Na to ka speed.
Huh?
Oh my God. On to
This is it, a can't-miss game and a backdrop to match the special occasion. The
Ah,
fans
well,
had this
now,
one
oh.
circled on their calendars long ago.
Ato mama la
Now it's a
kabolo
matter
chief.
of who will
Mawilo
dominate
mama la
on the
kabola.
pitch.
I
Big
did for the
characters
opportunity,
on the
man.
big stage. What a prospect. Join us for all the action next on EA TV.
From one of the world's most iconic stadiums, Santiago Bernabeu. Guy Mowbray here, and Sue Smith is here to commentate.
Mawilo udirisa this style. Ato udirisa this style, sir.
This style then. So big.
Nya kena mana kya iriana ne man.
Cheers, Guy. Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them their final instructions. Go out and give it their all.
Hey.
Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
Oh, wow. Mtakole no why la wait.
Coman. Possession changes hands and far too cheaply. This is the Real Madrid starting lineup. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. Antonio Rudiger plays with Carvajal in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos plays alongside Federico Valverde in central midfield. And they've decided to go with two in attack for this game. This is today's Bayern Munich starting lineup. Manuel Neuer is in goal. Nusair Mazraoui plays alongside Deo Upamecano as the centre-backs. Alongside Jamal Musiala in the centre of midfield. The main striker is Harry Kane. Oh, and he's left his man behind. Crowd encouraging him to take it on. Still problems.
So celebrate before I like. Simple that one. Kane. Thank you wena Bofelo Khushera. Thank you wena umutho buthokwa thata.
The action underway once more, and the onus is on Bayern Munich. Davis.
Yo wena.
Coman. Looking to create an angle.
An
equaliser. What a terrific to and fro start to the match.
Thanks for the invite. You are welcome when now offense.
As the ball gets rolling again.
Offense le na a ka bitsa ba bangwe hala jalo. Gore ba khona go wela gore ba lebelele tse go le.
Now Fernandes.
Nolo.
Fernandes. Now Modric. Carvajal.
Kabana. You deserve it. Fish.
Last touch of the defender. Corner to come.
You deserve a race.
The corner is fired in. Oh dear, everything about that wrong. Poor example of how to head the ball.
So kenna the white team Real Madrid mawila ke en chunyana ye ki tsore kita tene
Waited beautifully. This has to be. Oh, he's hit the woodwork. Can you believe it?
He's just got to compose himself there, Guy. Find the corner.
But
he's going to be disappointed not to score.
Oh, refu. Batla bola ya refu. Refu.
That'll be a Real Madrid corner.
Benia mtlhemana kwa tola la o shina mo sa.
Without a problem.
O sa ire sepela se se botlhale.
Bit of a squeeze on here.
Nto wilo. Stara se saying, hey, commentator le ambanna. Oh,
offside te kana Jeffrey.
Been ruled as offside.
Mora chere di botsala tsa go jwe mona te malaita ka.
Good vision.
Yo!
Oh, what a really good save that was.
Monele. Ah, batla polela player.
Decent looking attack this.
Modric.
Great stop.
Offside
to turn the ball
What
away.
offside? What Modric? Hey.
And that has been flagged for offside.
Well, you've got to be more aware of the situation here. Have
Re
another
dirile
touch, give it
mathata.
time to get back into position.
Hey. Yo, tala ke bala commenta. Tlema play bala di comment tlemon.
Having a try. The goalkeeper more than ready for it.
Eh?
Bayern moving.
Yo, tlabana o tsene bana. O tsene.
Ah, man, I
Decent
tell you,
attempt, but it's
man.
been placed just wide.
Hey, batho ba ileng ngwana teng. Eish, malaitaka. Eish. Kana go di event gompieno. Me a gona la ile molato.
Pass was red.
Re
and the
simolla
ball was
sengwe.
changed hands.
Yo. Ow, refu. Ow,
That's a bad one.
ow.
Just how bad is down to the referee.
Nya, ba ba le teng gona re tla lebella tara ba ba tswa menate ba ba ta re clear.
On to Valverde.
Wa ukwa.
Options available in the middle.
Olo. Ow,
Under a
monna.
little bit of pressure, he's managed to put it wide.
Well, he just can't get away from his...
Arwa tsana mathata ke a just. Come on, can I finishing? I feel like I should work on my finishing, ne? Team alone ya bona. Offside.
Law, man, I.
Promising.
What ke a tsena bana but finishing ya me. Ke yone e seng P.
Good work to recover possession.
Yo.
And
Yeah.
not getting
Yeah.
close enough here.
Ke wa kae. Finishing ya me malaita bara ke tla improve. Gora ke tla le FC thata la itse re ke motho wa Call of Duty so. Mona tle ke rala la gore ke khone go
There could be
what's
something
it?
building for Bayern here.
o tsene.
Musiala.
Kanda le sapota mawila ya lana ne bana ke rileng. Ah, mo tsena ya gore mawila.
Opportunity for Bayern to get ahead now with the
Kante ya no
corner.
guli ire ne
Might
bana.
still happen. Coman. And that's not a bad save at all.
Hey, la makana kante. Ukwa.
On to Valverde.
Ush.
Musiala.
Malaita ka.
Oh, fantastic effort. Made great contact, but the keeper more than equal to it.
Re mo wa bona go irwa ya lo malaita go irwa ya. Ditimidi au banna.
Ah, man, I can't.
Gore go nne ka hale ka ska nna mawila hela la bona. Eish.
Corner kick played
A teng
in.
comment e teleo.
Well, he couldn't
Eh,
get free,
kana me
and he
play.
couldn't find the target.
Well, it's certainly
What
not...
the player
a
na
good
tshwana
header.
hela
He's
chief.
strong defending here, just enough to put him off at that fight.
Le wena ke fena ya gago. Thank you wena. Oh.
Well read to gain possession.
Yo! Au monna. Yo.
About to go a long way with this.
Jesa.
A glorious
Ah,
chance.
banna.
Glorious finish.
Just lack composure in front of
Ah,
the
yeah,
goal.
Academy,
He'll be
wa
so
mona
frustrated
o.
with himself not to finish that.
Mawila to a Jesa tlar. You got so many chances.
There's the whistle.
Oh.
So the second half kicks off, and even if it's only half as good as the first, we're in for a
Mtu ke
treat.
utana o. Ah, ira ditaile mo. Mtu ke ore ki stem match.
Able to skip past.
Coach mo re tsere ka ore arna
Coman.
aura.
What a place to
Coman,
lose the
man.
ball just when the chance was on.
Monele.
Coming away they go.
Bible. Rodrigo. Ah, yeah, you deserve a race, chief. Yo,
A little sloppy on the ball.
ating. Ate shake itle. Ting. Ah, nyami.
Well, I think
Comment
it's fair to say
la ke
that
gone go e bala ntse ke tsama.
the game and ball. He's causing problems.
Ya, o nela mang shake.
Step forward.
Hold on, chance.
Yeah, la.
And it's
Eh, go bala comment go mpola ile tlhabana.
Rudiger.
Hateng ho.
Very quick to close down. Untidy in possession.
Ala commenting with you and
It's eased on.
Au ban.
Ah, I can't change. Ah,
Tony Kroos.
Eh? Nata ba di bun.
Di.
Ora ordi. Kione Mawila, Passion.
Struggling to keep the ball here.
China. Woo! Aye, di ba golu ye.
Rodrigo.
Aw monna.
Well, what a chance that was for the equaliser. You won't get too many chances better than that.
Ora yang. You, banna.
Nicely and in. Oh, he really had to make the keeper work there.
You can see what he's trying to do, and it's not far away, but just needs to be more clinical.
Agora clinical, agora
Unable to retain possession.
you. Muito que outra na barra lá o bana.
Kane.
Tar bola ref. Menele. Sama tinga ka rimana.
In the right position to
Menele.
pass.
Menele. Etlamona.
Rodrigo.
To G7 ka hunt.
Can he finish? And they've scored. Second best no longer. It's level again.
Hiro ya lowe. Mina o tuto bana commenta kono ring. Oh, remogo. Oh.
Once more.
O tla mola. Mawila ta ita pale ha to bon.
Rodrigo.
Mawila o dirisa legiso, ato dirisa legisi kana tactical.
Nan.
Ara irisa se. Irisa nan, dirisa je pero.
Bayern exploiting the space
Ara
on
irisa
the
je.
play to take the lead.
Etlamona o tere bolo sin tlemona. Refu. Batla re bola. Tlemona.
Pretty easily there.
Kyo ne thank you wena.
Nicely played.
Refu tla ra ba re bola.
Ba sa go khoma.
Harry Kane. And possession given away.
Come ntsha bolo ka speed bona o etsa go etsa mo. A bona makanyana a mantsintsi.
Mula.
Oh, maybe
Thank you wena.
Re gorele
Au banna.
Re ka tlo gorele jala mula.
Au banna. Thank you wena tumelo. Oh,
Jala mula.
kana ya no ke o gorile o malaita ka. Ke
Aya
mathata.
palenga sledgehammer ba le mmageng ga le sledgehammer la banana.
Oh, back up 10.
all day.
Oof. Father loser ka style mala re loser. Let's lose with style.
Looking for an angle here.
Mona ke no
That's
sa
not
gore
a
no
bad
mo.
save at all.
Well, it's the first chance that they've had in a while, and the crowd are sensing this is a great opportunity. They're really
Juan.
getting behind them.
Yayi.
Last tla di true ball tseo. Yo.
Kane.
Ana ke dua ke di comment ta agora
Pass was
aroko.
red and the ball has changed hands.
A do dire true ball chief.
This looks promising from Bayern.
Kana timi mi wa ai jesa bana.
Look promising, but only up to a point.
Monele.
Jude Bellingham.
Na matlemana tsenga lutu.
Get caught out on the break
Refu.
here.
Offside e kana kana.
La
Has
muto.
to be.
Ntsha bolo tlerra. Monele.
Not much time left. They need an end product from this. What a chance. Drama here.
Bellingham.
Square once again, and no wonder they're off celebrating.
Kuiru ayalo wena.
Well, quite the game we're witnessing here. Can't help but
Ke la
feel
ijesa
there's more
malita.
goals to come.
E churile timi la e bona lo wena re churile. Too
That's been
predictable.
won really smartly.
Malaitaka.
For the finish.
Oh,
can you
man.
believe it? With so little time left, surely
Bana le ke bora nne bana.
stunning scenes here.
Ta gona ba tar celebrate 2 minutes la ba re bora. Kana motho ke o bana he deserve a race.
Good work to recover possession.
Come now win no win man. Ke ngwa tsa go irana ne man.
And this could be
O win na tla ra go ntse mawila.
defending. It's a corner now.
Mta kwa ya no wa tsa go ntlebisa ditlhong ya no. O win ne ke nga tsa pheke basela.
Musaim Azraoui.
Manele. Offside, Jeffrey.
Throws. Genuine
Ulu.
chance. It's a pretty good save by the keeper. That's it.
Nya gre mana.
And it's Bayern Munich who take the win.
Ile kina malaita.
Really could have gone either way. It was so competitive for much of the game.
Nya on tsepile ya la lita ga tumelo but kona wa wela sentle. Ga wela so go tsana team engwe go tsana ma play da.
Kona maela o tla bobi.
Tsana ma play le Gino. Go batla ke Gino, fata le tsana da. So go tsana Gino le play da. Aro go batla game ya tala go monele malati a beke. Gino le play da. Gino ora re ke wa parent t-shirt ya zebra. Sa ke bolela batho go romang. Gino wa t-shirt ya zebra se play ke wa sport.
O nela right.
Still la go mo play. Ware? Still la go.
Ware ne mo wana go sa stile ka go.
Kai.
Wala la camera ke mo.
Meetings. Lemon.
Arte de nyana.
Le o le bega ale bo.
O tsa Madrid.
Le gato go kite chi.
Ke mang? Ga ke tse Madrid.
Go fe o la re yana. Le le bega.
Kanden na ira.
Ke rona ba re live ngala jalo mo YouTube.
Irlana. Ha mo te.
Ha ona le na go apologize.
Ile na wa play. Ang mo te.
O adroi. Tata ke di tara.
Ke rona ha.
Kantu ira nne mo. A go tla la ng khwetsi.
Ai sa roya di. Arroy.
Ya me 152. Gona go ba dule ba itse go je dei isa seno ga nae.
Ke rona ba streamer FC24 mo YouTube ya. La por na. No va chinchi.
Kantili ira na na wa mara.
Bisa le interacting kala ormai te le go di bala ya to.
Comment di dia?
They changed. Go change lane.
Ni ana ba ti
Kenshi ha won. Ama ka halan do go anna ka.
Mama dia senya di kata stin madian. Correlate right.
Gino bona corre. Ating.
Play ke no
A
sit.
glittering and meaningful occasion, and all week long the football chatter has centred around this game and these talented teams.
Yeah. Mo irling.
Ada simulin. Aw.
Cifra santre. Ke bangka.
Kung masok ano.
Kantele ke si defending ile ke na.
Ayun na.
Wait, como que UEFA final? Iko classic match.
Yeah, in every game nze le teng. Re na re tshamka UEFA final en malwena. Cifra skara di ntlhabana na legacy defending ya mo ya go godimo. We
Mana, bogam. Kana tropa pina ga itia. Kana tropa pina kana le.
Which one will
ke khona no ska just a team ska war ke na le ne mthaga ska wa ke ngwa
I'm Derek Ray, and
Yo.
my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson.
now,
And no question,
Njile
this ought
game
to
and
be a game that gets pulses
they make
racing.
sure that
It is
LB
Borussia
out there
Dortmund
overlap.
facing Manchester
La mo
City.
coach ano na man.
Well, from that position, he really should be doing
Ke
more.
ka
to
go
work
ka
with
nna
the
ke beile go khaka go mo tšatšeng ka.
And
Ke na
here's
le
the
ke mo
11 for
tlhokomedi.
Borussia Dortmund. Niklas Süle starts with Mats Hummels
Oh,
in central
ref.
defence. Marcel Sabitzer plays with Emre Can in central midfield. And Niklas Füllkrug is up front.
Oh,
And a look at the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson begins in goal. Jack Grealish plays with Bernardo Silva out wide. And the story in attack is one of a strike partnership.
Barang. Masuk ke barang lah.
It's got to be brilliantly blocked. Well, not many would debate the point that Erling Haaland is a joy to watch whenever he's out there on the pitch. But what should we expect? from him
commentele
today,
are
Stuart?
boga.
Well, he's such a natural finisher. He has
Mala
every-
Oh,
commentele.
look at this, Stuart, an opportunity
For the no me mitsi ngwana.
to open the scoring.
Tsara tobetsa.
Le le mo ya ke rena
Ya batho.
O tlo mo fa ile mo ra mollo.
He goes past the defender.
Re nole
so easily,
metsi.
and the finish from Grealish
Ke mo
is
tlhokometse,
excellent.
le ska la wa.
Really is a top-class goal.
Decent progress with the ball at his feet.
Sure. Ke mo teng. Oh my God, Joan 9
Well, it
0.
could be on for him here. It's opened up for him. Might still be able to do a bit of damage.
Are?
Corner for Manchester City.
Nice play,
Put
man.
in by De Bruyne.
Ah. Eish.
Re mo tlhokometse maleka.
And lining it up. There it is.
Ke mo tlhokometse, le ska la
Fantastic
tsho.
goal.
Go na le
And no
nna.
wonder he's off
Sentse mo
celebrating.
tsetwe.
He's going forward well here.
Ah.
Didn't go to plan in the end.
Come back ngwana. Ska.
Oh, great piece of individual skill. Real chance. It's gone in.
Ke mo tlhokometse.
And well, he might
Ke
celebrate.
pepo ngwana go ma swa mon.
Come on, play man on susumetse. I tina mo. Ah, on susumetse nna
Ka
ka.
ngwalo.
Ah. Ba wana ke mo nnetse go gwarana ke go nsusumela.
Go ma. Re tsa bolo ntate.
And that puts them in position. Big opportunity. Well, that's a really top-notch piece of defending. Well, hit with ferocity when...
Antano ka kwa go irwang ka kwa.
Ke nna ke na defend.
Ah, ba. Ah.
Dortmund unable to keep it. Could be threatening. Well, capable of so much better, to be honest.
Oh, bana.
More as well, Derek.
La bona yona na ra ka krawina batho ba ne tso heta he.
Ya, le bone ba
Go heta
wa.
o ya kae.
Ngile ka a tsama ka ngile ka heta o. Ore ngwana ke monela mogwana ya la seng.
Ha ke ipate motho yo ne tso wa ba mpitaganya o mongwe ne tso khawala pele ga TV.
Schlotterbeck. Oh, no stopping him. Now, who can he pick out? Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Quite the catalogue of great saves, and that the latest one. Marlon. And it's opening up. A goal!
Allez, let's go, boys!
To the sheer delight of the fans.
Oh, banna ga ke mogana wa tsela.
Well, you've got to savour such moments. But stand defending when it mattered.
You can just close it.
Oh, banna.
So with the roommate
Yeah, ma pela hit the pela. Ma pela. Speaker assign. Nyar sanze reposite bo right. Nya o ka he.
Nna le kholo ke.
Kenale? Play. Some phone club.
Go to reply msedi wa tsona.
Ari tlara batho ba tsona go lapeng ba re emetse.
Ke reply line.
Client wa.
Le ke ma reply line.
Wow,
Ke molora ke.
Mo reply. Banna. Nka hola yana.
Are.
Ke hodile mona, ke hodile.
Yonna. O hodile wena mo.
20 minutes.
Rioson. Good work from City to win back the ball. Well, the perfect tackle. And now a throw in.
Iya moyanzi. Sentiment.
Oh.
Out of play from Manchester City.
Re bona re bola e kwa ntlana. Ke nka ntela eng? Ke stand.
Walker.
If you shoot it, it's gonna be
Now
based
Holland.
on the
Well, Dortmund have it once again. Foden. He's in with a chance. He's gonna miss the
How?
opportunity.
The malaki a beki. Au banna.
Come tell us malaki a beki.
It's looking promising. Well, unable
Offside.
to finish this run. Offside. Sancho. Good tackle. Marco Reus. The fans are shouting, shoot. Oh, another one for them. And with plenty of
Sia Buyando.
time still remaining, this
Pass,
is
come on.
very much back on. Well, back underway here, and make no mistake, Borussia Dortmund are giving this a real go. Took a really smart piece of defending to stop them. From the keeper. Füllkrug. And teammates around him.
Update te hedi tsena maboka. Update.
And a chance to whip it in here. Could be.
What a name. What a name. Wow, you are like him.
Uyola ma.
Ke nna ke re ma ke tepela go ya ne mo.
Nnela boye. Mmudela
Ke
boye.
milene mo. Ma ke la gore
Mona
mona.
play one distance, on
Just
pisa
1
tsang.
minute of time added on for stoppages here. Schlotterbeck.
Wa wana re ira play. Ka go
The
mpuisa.
referee's whistle, and so the first
And
half has
these
come
guys
to
are
an end
on
here at the Signal Iduna Park.
Are.
La guarda bunte.
Roga ngudile.
Second half underway, with City looking to build upon a positive first half performance.
The play with link. Ar tlhoga chenchile.
Bernardo Silva. Hold on. And read the danger magnificently.
Well, if he gets this wrong, a penalty and a sending off, but he was spot on with his challenge.
Marco Reus. Jadon Sancho. And crossed in there.
Eish.
Oh, but claimed by
Too
the
close.
goalkeeper. Silva. De Bruyne now. Regained possession.
Ah.
Foden. On to Silva.
Ah, Zabitza. Zabolo Shem. Oh.
It's a good Dortmund move in the making, but really sticking to the task defensively. Holland. Must be. Save, but still a chance. Surely. So a corner to City as they try to increase their
Ah,
advantage.
mana fode ni mun. Sabe que tinha green face.
Not all that convincing defensively.
Ah, Eshamana. Eish. Dieri le Taragon Tabol.
Come on, like
Good to see.
no you
It's
mun.
hard to see them throwing this away. It is a decent looking attack here, but quick thinking defensively.
Urlen ref.
Rafu bang.
Oh, hey. Nah, sana rin Oscar
Ngar
Japan.
sam ngar sam
Wah, kaya.
refaya aja.
Donyell Malen. They stopped them in their tracks.
Jana Masamun. Ah.
Kevin De Bruyne. De Bruyne. Chance for him to get in behind, maybe.
Ow.
The goalkeeper covered a lot of ground to push that away from danger. The high press was on, and that's a fantastic tackle. Can he finish?
Hey, wah. Betusa like keeper right. So kuma wah.
How did he stop that?
Kona na ile mu.
Ramulun tan.
And Dortmund will go to the bench. Kevin De Bruyne with the corner. Oh, really good header. Really fine goalkeeping. And increasing the pressure. Another corner it is. Oh, what an opportunity. Oh, it's just over.
Come back here no mana wana.
It's a cheeky attempt, but it just doesn't come down in
Batho ba
time.
lapila ba re sira kwano. Ke distractile ke motho ona nsira.
Did look as though they might be onto something for a second or so.
That's the only.
Ah.
Emre Can. Rierson. And defensive play to be applauded.
Ah,
Always
you
left his mark for
mote.
dead. Had to come up with the ball and did.
Oh, nah.
Oh, that one has promise. And he takes on the shot. Well, diving magnificently to make sure he got there.
Sa tso tsenya la ke.
Kan do sara ke.
Execution it is for
Ke tlo go tsoro
Dortmund.
tso tsenya.
And De Bruyne firing it over. And a goal here. There it is. They've done it.
Eh, ke na lo ena bofelo. Sa mo tlhokomedi.
Donyell Malen.
Oh,
Nicely timed
naka.
tackle.
Sa mo tlhokometse brava. Sa rotlheleng.
Rodri. Mateus Nunes. Here's Alvarez. In with a chance.
Re mo tlhokomedi.
A goal. Exactly.
No re buka e o helo.
And he's come up with it.
Oh.
Oh, he's through here. And pushed away to safety. Vardiol. And the ball back with City now. Oh, might be. And he read it really well. Fine save. Bernardo Silva.
Come play 1-3. Kita sama kawan 3.
A glorious chance. Can they make it count?
7 days. Sama
Full credit.
Come play 1-3. Hotel lang.
Who can he pick out?
Agora estamos
Piece of
goalkeeping.
goalkeeping. You're going
Aku
to see
ngerti
it
dia
again
akan tu.
and
Aki hawi
again
dah.
and again.
Aran sisi di Brian ang mana kor. Rale one sawer.
And not cleared away properly. Splendid defending.
Wo fel. Negara kau tak bela leita guys.
Lah nam tatas na lo ni level lah.
Can he make it count? And there it
Ay,
is.
quang.
A goal. Will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best. Walker. And it's Ruben Dias. Well, this game is ebbing away, and disappointment as far as Dortmund are concerned, Stuart.
Well, this is certainly a performance to forget because they've been totally outplayed today. How many times have they been opened up during this game? They have to defend better than this. It's been a dismal display.
Could be dangerous. Oh, fine stop. What about the stoppage time situation? 2
Are we
minutes
winning?
forward. Bernardo Silva. There to take it away. Well, that's how to outwit your opponent. And there it is, a goal.
Ano atin eh.
Purely a consolation at this
Fairness
stage.
him.
And there goes the
Fokum.
final whistle. Defeat for Dortmund, much to the
Aduh,
disappointment
kasam
of
kali
their
juga nih.
supporters.
They really struggled to get to grips with the game. They always seem second to the ball, and then just a few mistakes at the back, and it's cost them. Poor performance all round.
Well, as is so often the case, Phil Foden did his talking out there on the pitch.
Well, he looked a top-class player today.
Pak Lenya tu anda bang.
Ini kata mana baik hari kakak wara.
Now it's for real. The tactics and squad strips have all been analysed by committed fans and neutral observers. A confrontation that all football lovers will revel in, knowing that we might be about...
What? Buffer. Arnold. I know so. Sapat taranya na may awe hello vai so.
Welcome to Munich, one of the real strongholds of European football. I'm Guy Mowbray.
Go simolola hela.
Commentary is Sue Smith. And with the atmosphere building up nicely, what a match this promises to be. It's Bayern Munich, and they take on Real Madrid.
Cheers, Guy. Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them their final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
It's put into the middle. Something happening here. And the ball has been nicely cut out. And the shot thwarted. This is today's Bayern Munich starting lineup. Manuel Neuer is in goal. Nusair Mazraoui plays.
Oh, what a chance!
Ora kaya naman.
Chance, an early chance,
hati
but it's been
Gino.
missed.
Ryan.
Have to refocus
Gain.
now because there's a long time left in this game.
Luka Modric. Delivered into the box. Well, I'm not sure.
Nah, karena nak aku
but danger averted for now. In the right position to cut out the pass. Harry Kane. Toni Kroos. Mendy. And he's won the ball to stop the goal. They found a way through. Found nicely and in. They've got in front. A key moment in the match. So it's 1-0 as the game restarts.
Clara, ko bela.
Vinicius Junior. Switched on and ready to intercept there. Play on is the referee's call.